Hi all, Fat Andy here. Right, I've got some marinade, another 39 pence packet from B&M. These have been so good, these marinades, I thought I'm going to get a set. I've got to try, mate. For 39 pence, they're great. This one we got here is the peri peri marinade, as you can see there. And we got some chicken wings. So such a hot day and that, I just thought, do you know what I mean? I was just, how do you fancy? Let's try that marinade and some chicken wings and everything. So that's what we're going to do. Let's just take a closer look at this first. Again, 39 pence from B&M. Put that light on. Get you down there. Here we go again then. Cook's Choice again. Again, as it says on every packet, no added MSG, no hydrated vegetable fat, no artificial colours and flavours, suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Right, peri peri marinade, a distinct blend of chilies, peppers and fragrant herbs, finished with a refreshing hint of zest. Prep these in 10 minutes. Again, I'm going to let these marinate there for a lot longer than that, probably a couple of 3 hours or so. 60 grams again, suitable for barbecue, air fryer or oven or grill. Flip it over. What we got here? Right, I need to turn this over again. Just bend that back a bit. Get the light out of this somehow. Now for best results, again I just tell you, add 60 grams of peri peri marinade to 600 grams of your choice, or chosen raw meat, or poultry, or 10% of the weight of your meat. There you go, just sprinkle and marinate it. I told you all that. I've been through this before. Got that bleeping away again. A bit of customer quality care there. That's your best before date. That's your barcode. Bend that back. Get this up again. Let's see if we can get the ingredients there. There you go. Let's see all the ingredients in there. I'm not going to read that lot out. I can't really see, again, any allergens at all in there, unless anybody else can pick it up. But it does say may contain wheat, milk, egg, soya, barley, celery, mustard and sulfites. So, yeah. Nutritional information is there, anyone's interested. Bit of storage instructions and that's it. Right, I've got a load of chicken wings there. I've already just chopped the ends off, took the tips off. So we're going to get these in a bag. I've got a bag here, as you see, and we'll get these marinated up. Right, we'll get this open first of all. Yeah, 39 pence again, I don't know how they do it. 60 grams is banging really. It's a good little bargain. What smells nice that do, you can see that all in there. Right, let me get some tongs. I'll do, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of this in the bottom of the bag, because we've got loads of it anyway. And then get these tongs, chuck a load of chicken in. So I took the tips off. Some little cut marks in them, as you can see as well. Just let the old marination get in there. Right, let me get some more of this in there, get this worked in what's in the bottom. I'll chuck another load on top. I'm going to use the whole packet in there. Why not? 39 pence, you might as well get the full flavour of it basically. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with these actually. This marination stuff. Very impressed actually, especially with the price and the taste as well. Been very good. The only one, Kay, well, she did like it, was the Chinese one, because it had that little aniseedy taste into it, which she weren't that keen on, but she still liked it, if you know what I mean. I think that's just all been banging myself personally. Depends what you like. I'm just going to chuck this lot whole in there. All that in there. Get the air out of that. Tie this up. And then roll it about. That's the best way of doing it. Get that all worked in there. Right, I'll work this in here for a couple of minutes. Right, there we go. Get this in the fridge, couple of 3 hours. We'll cook them up, probably just do it in the air fryer. I'll clean down here as well. And yeah, I'll catch you later on in a few hours. Right, we're back. Chicken wings, 2.5 hours. So they've been marinating for in this peri-peri marinade. So what we're going to do here, just get this lot. Basically, I'm going to chuck them straight into this air fryer. Get all the old marination out. There's any in there, stuck a little bit. Get it all out. And I'll get some tongs and let's rearrange this. So yeah, we'll do these in the air fryer, see what this one is like. This is a 39p marinade from B&M. Just spread these about a bit. I should have put it in the bigger air fryer really, but hey ho, this will do. That'll sort itself out. Smudge them about a bit. That'll all cook up. Yeah, look good to me. That'll do it. Right, I'll get these in the air fryer. So I'll set this for 170 for 25 minutes. I will turn them over halfway. I have lowered the old temperature a little bit because it's quite powerful, this air fryer. So yeah, I'll bring it back when they're done. Right, that's the chicken wings done, so we'll get these dished up. Right, so we've got the chicken wings here. It's mine. That's Kay's, 8 each. That should do it, I should think. So you can see here, looking good. And that's the peri-peri marinade in the background. So yeah, let's get stuck into it. Right, there we go then. Got them on the old plate. These are the peri-peri marinade from B&M at 39p. It might be hot, Kay, so be careful. We're just testing them out, really. See what they're all about. You've got to get your flavour on the outside. I know. Hot. Got a nice flavour, that, innit?
Yeah, it has.
A little slight sweetness to it.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, as soon as you bite into it, you start getting a little bit of heat, don't you? I don't know if you've got it yet, the heat, but I'm starting to slowly. Oh yeah, quite tasty, that is. That'd come out well. 25 minutes I've done this for. I started off on a 170 with our air fryer. 25 minutes, I've had about 13 minutes. I turned them over and I just knocked it down to 160 because it's quite powerful. It just depends on the air fryer basically. And how long you're going to do it for. But they come out an absolute treat, they haven't they?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Well, at the moment I do.
Well, that's all right. Got a lovely bit of warmth to it and just a slight bit of sweetness.
Yeah.
Well seasoned, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. Very, very good, that is. I like them. I really do. That's all I can say about them, really. 39p. Go get some. Now, I've got right warmth down the back of my throat. But for 39p,
yeah,
I reckon that's really good, that seasoning. Really good. We'll get some more of that, as always handy to have in the old cupboard. Give them a score, Kay.
Give it an 8.
I'll join you on that. I can hear a cat crying. Probably want some chicken. I'll join you on that.
Yeah.
8 out of 10. I reckon that's lovely, that is. Hear her crying.
Where is she?
Hear that. What do you want, darling? Some chicken, isn't she? Right. We're off to enjoy this. Thumbs up if you like this. Give us your comments below. Have you tried this one yet? 39 pence from B&M. I highly recommend it. You doing all, aren't you, Kay?
Yeah, yeah.
Got to be done. For 39 pence for 60 grams, you just can't go wrong. You really can't. Oh, Kay's giving the cat a little bit of chicken. Right.
Right.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And we'll catch you lovely people in the next one.
See ya.
Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.